Hello, and welcome to how to enable staff users to create and edit list views from the Remedyforce console. In this video, I will walk you through editing the staff profile, granting the needed permissions to the correct components required to be able to edit the list views from the Remedyforce console. Let's go ahead and begin. First place we're going to go ahead and start is from the Remedyforce administration. As always, these instructions can be found in the Remedyforce help by clicking the help for this page and searching for the topic that you're looking for. First thing we'll need to do is to go ahead and modify the profile. So let's go to the Manage Users, Profiles. This will open up the Salesforce page with a list of all the profiles. I'm going to go ahead and select the profile that's assigned to my staff users, which is the standard Service Desk staff profile. And I always just like to search for the component that I'm going to need to activate, which is create and customize list views and manage public list views. And as you can see, I got it right here. This takes us directly to the area of the profile, which is a system permissions, and it highlights it. And I'll double check in here. The manage public list views is also here. So we'll go ahead and edit, create and customize list views, enable the checkbox next to that, and the manage public list views, enable the checkbox next to that. Click save, and the profile is taken care of. So let's go back to the Remedyforce Administration tab, and we need to set up the remote site. This is located in the Manage Objects and Create and Edit Objects. So if you've been using Remedyforce for a long time, this may not look exactly like this. You may have already completed this step. Once it's done, there's a drop-down list where you can actually see all of the common objects for Remedyforce, and it's basically just a shortcut to the different areas within the actual object. But in this case, we haven't done that yet, so we'll go through the process. Um, so let's go ahead and we'll need to copy this URL and create the remote site by clicking this link. So we'll go ahead and select new remote site, call it anything you want. Paste in our URL that we copied. It's active. Click save. Remote site is created. We'll just go back to the Remedyforce administration and refresh it for good measure and take a look at it just to make sure it updated. So now we have shortcuts to the different objects, or the most common objects for Remedyforce. We don't really need to do anything at this point as far as from the administrator side of things. Now we can just test it as one of the users to make sure they're able to actually access it and get to the edit screen of a list view. If this hadn't been performed and a staff user clicks on this, they would get an insufficient privileges error message. Um, so since we've already completed the steps on modifying the profile, let's go ahead and double check. And from here, you can see that I'm able to get to the screen and I can change any of the filter criteria and save it without any errors. Unfortunately, I don't have any incidents in this sandbox, so it's not really showing me anything. And that completes our steps. Thank you for participating. Have a nice day.